Hey guys, or YouTube, or whatever. So, so right here, this channel is Mr.J01, and yeah. Now, I'm wondering, who am I? Well, my name is Smash. Yes, that is really my name. But you can call me Sam. That's my nickname. So basically, we have this mini field for a bulk downloads record, and I don't know what to expect when I post this. So it's going to start right here with the yellow domino, and it's going to go around, hit that line, knocking down this field. So I don't know what to expect, so let's go and get this started. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and also, the mini dominoes, I wouldn't count the Connect dominoes. Those are, I had a total of 300 dominoes in, well, 300 mini dominoes total, probably in the field. Well, anyway, so yeah, so if you can't accept this, then by all means, don't accept it. Yeah, don't listen to him, guys. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Yeah, that was, to be honest, what are you doing? Anyway, yeah, that was the Bulk Dominoes mini field record. Yeah, total of 300 dominoes, not counting the full size dominoes, to be honest. And that's all I have. Hey, what do you want to say, bro? Oh, me? I'll see ya. Okay. Hey, turn off the camera. Oh, sorry. Make this thing off. Oh, wait.